Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson and you need to locate, remove, replace radiator, fan, resistor. Stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. If the radiator, fan, resistor malfunctions, you can experience fan not turning on or the speeds of the fan not working correctly. So all that will be covered in this video today. It should work on multiple generation, years and models of Hyundai Tucson. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, another thing guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. With that being said, let's explain what we have here. That's the engine guys. 2.4 GDI engine, completely out of the vehicle with the radiator fan, radiator cooling system, everything together. And when you open the hood, okay, you will locate your radiator fan here. We recommend when working on the fan or close to the fan to disconnect the car battery because the fan can activate and cut your fingers off. Number two, on these modern vehicles, it really matters which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the electrical system, the engine computers, and other modules that can cost you thousands of dollars to fix, thousands of dollars. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below that will explain which battery terminal to disconnect first. So, with that being said, okay, on the radiator fan, you have one wire coming from the engine computer. Ours is disconnected here. Then you have another wire going to the radiator fan motor, and that device right here on the radiator fan itself is the, okay, this is known, okay, as the radiator fan resistor. So all we have to do, get a socket. Okay, let me see, this one is a 7mm. So we'll go ahead, okay, remove 2 screws now. And if you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Okay, one is out. So we have one screw. Check it out. And now it just lifts up. You pull that thing up like that out and then lift it up and come out. This is your radiator fan resistor. For any of you that don't know how to what a radiator fan resistor is, we have a special video that explains that on our main YouTube channel, How to Repair guys. And we'll try to make a video about testing one as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.